My name is James and I go to Southfield Preschool. I have been doing a lot of stuff. Building, I'm just going to start building a skeleton. It's not for real. It kind of looks like this. We got taste buds on our tongue right now. I signed in my name under my own. There's a soccer ball that's like this big. Bonjour, mes amis. Bonjour. Come on, that song in French. I'm going to be so smart. Listen, follow instructions, be kind. My teacher taught me all those things. Sometimes she teaches me like letters and other stuff like that. And also she teaches me about how smart I am too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My teachers teach me how to be fun too. When I grow up, I'll play basketball. For real. I got smart because I learned all those things at school. Southfield Eagles.